At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a non-CDL hotshot business can be an exciting venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Understand the hotshot industry. Research the demand for hotshot services in your area, the types of cargo typically transported, and the competition. Identify your niche. Determine what types of cargo you want to transport, e.g., equipment, construction materials, perishable goods, and the routes you plan to serve. Develop a business plan. Outline your business goals, target market, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. 2. Legal requirements. Register your business. Choose a business structure, e.g., sole proprietorship, LLC, and register your business name with the appropriate authorities. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Research and obtain any permits or licenses required to operate a hotshot business in your area. Get insurance. Purchase commercial liability insurance and cargo insurance to protect your business and the goods you transport. 3. Vehicle and equipment. Purchase or lease a suitable vehicle. Choose a truck that meets the requirements for non-CDL hotshot operations, typically a heavy-duty pickup truck, e.g., Ford F-350, Dodge Ram 3500, with a gooseneck trailer. Equip your vehicle. Install any necessary equipment, such as trailer hitches, tie-downs, and safety equipment, to ensure you can safely transport various types of cargo. 4. Set up operations. Establish a home base. Set up a home office or small business location where you can manage administrative tasks, such as invoicing, scheduling, and record-keeping. Develop operational procedures. Create processes for booking jobs, loading and securing cargo, navigating routes, and communicating with clients. Hire drivers. If necessary, if you plan to expand your business or need additional drivers, hire qualified individuals with clean driving records and the necessary licenses. 5. Marketing and networking. Build a professional website. Create a website that showcases your services, pricing, contact information, and any testimonials or reviews from satisfied clients. Network with potential clients. Attend industry events, join local business groups, and reach out to companies that may need hotshot services to introduce yourself and your business. Use online advertising. Utilize social media platforms, online directories, and targeted advertising to reach potential clients in your area. 6. Provide excellent service. Focus on customer satisfaction. Provide reliable, timely service and communicate effectively with clients to build trust and long-term relationships. Ensure cargo safety. Handle and transport cargo with care to minimize the risk of damage or loss, and maintain proper documentation for each shipment. Continuously improve. Solicit feedback from clients and drivers to identify areas for improvement and implement changes to enhance your business operations. 7. Compliance and safety. Stay informed about regulations. Keep up to date with any changes to transportation regulations and ensure compliance with safety standards and requirements. Conduct regular maintenance. Schedule routine inspections and maintenance for your vehicle and equipment to ensure they are in good working condition and meet safety standards. Starting a non-CDL hotshot business requires careful planning, attention to detail, and a commitment to providing excellent service to your clients. By following these steps and staying focused on your goals, you can build a successful hotshot business. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.